Hello friends, Shri Shivaya Namastubhyam. Welcome you all to Seeta Mam Spoken English Class 2. In this second class, we will learn about the magic words. There are three magic words and they are please, sorry and thank you. Please, whenever we ask someone to help us, we always say please. Help me, please. Give me, please. Like this. And the second one is sorry. When we commit any mistake or we hurt someone, we must say sorry. Forgive me, please. Sorry, I hurt you. Like this. And the third one is thank you. Whenever someone gives us something or someone praises us or someone wishes us on our birthday or any other activity of ours, that time we must say thank you to that person. Okay, so there are three magic words and they are please, sorry and thank you. We use please when we request someone or we need someone's help. And second, sorry, we use when we commit any mistake or we ask someone or when we hurt someone, like this. And the third is thank you whenever someone praise us, someone give us something, someone help us, that time we must say thank you. So today we have learnt about the three magic words please, sorry and thank you. So bye bye friends. In our next spoken class we will learn about something else. Okay, so practice these words in your day-to-day life. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.